Oh, you heard that. Don't listen to my shame. And don't take AP classes. Don't
take AP classes. Finally.
This is propaganda against for AP classes, and I won't stand for it. All right. Are you guys almost ready? Is that a Hualien pin?
Yes!
Okay. You know what? Cute. They're matching. You'll never. I can't sing right now. I don't know how to sing. You'll never take us alive. We swore that death will do us part. They'll call our crimes a work of. Can this get me copyrighted?
I don't know.
I hope not.
I hope not too. Okay. Like that.
My white shirt.
You know what? That works too. Are we good? Oh my gosh. I turned back around, you were crying. It took 1 second. Wait, there was. Sorry, can you show your backpack to the camera really quick? That is amazing, my goodness. Any other requests? Hey, I know you. It might not last forever. Do we have any specific requests for duos again, or like any specific poses or scenes or anything terrible, a part of your dreams?
My friend would.
Hey, whoa! I dodged it, and my hat fell off. Threatened right now. Oh my god. I've lost all control of this meetup. All right, are you good? Can I have some doll eyes over here? Yes. Can you come back here? Right behind. Okay. So this is Otasaku. All right. And if you squint, it is Otasaku. Now treat this like it's Otasaku. And pose. 3, 2, 1. I can't handle a lawsuit. Where's my lawyer? Fun fact, all of my favorite characters are clowns, artsy, or have light hair. Sigma! Pick your Sigma's pose. Are those marshmallows? Who's carrying marshmallows at a con? Are you okay? Is everything good? If you read the manga, tell me how you're feeling right now, because I have feelings. You're so true. Yeah. All right. 3, 2, 1, dance. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, I said fight. Okay, whoa.
By a detective. How do you feel? L plus ratio.
Now he's gonna be really cheesy.
I made the mimic. It was difficult to put the pieces together. Seriously, something went so wrong, and now I can't do anything but sing this stupid song.
What are you talking about?